Welcome to the Bennett Mechanical Test Certification Training. This comprehensive program is designed to help you achieve excellence in demonstrating your mechanical reasoning capabilities to employers and advance your technical career. This training program empowers you to master essential competencies. First, you'll understand fundamental mechanical principles and how they apply in real-world scenarios. Second, you'll develop the analytical skills needed to solve mechanical problems efficiently. Third, you'll gain industry-recognized certification valued by technical and engineering employers. And finally, you'll demonstrate your mechanical reasoning abilities with confidence. Let's explore what the Bennett Mechanical Test truly measures. The BMT is a widely recognized standardized assessment that evaluates your mechanical reasoning and spatial visualization abilities, two critical skills that employers seek for technical positions across multiple industries. Understanding test administration requirements is crucial for your success. The BMT is typically administered in controlled testing environments, either at authorized testing centers or through proctored online platforms. You'll need valid identification and must arrive on time, as late arrivals are not permitted. The assessment follows a structured format designed to evaluate multiple competency areas. The test consists of multiple-choice questions presented with visual diagrams and mechanical scenarios. Each question requires you to analyze mechanical systems, understand spatial relationships, and apply physical principles to determine correct answers. Time management is essential for BMT success. You'll have a limited time to complete all questions, making strategic pacing critical. The scoring system is straightforward. Each correct answer earns points, with no penalty for incorrect responses. Your raw score is then converted to a percentile ranking compared to other test takers. The BMT covers several key content domains. These include force and motion principles, mechanical advantage through simple machines, hydraulics and fluid dynamics, structural stability, gear and pulley systems, and electrical circuits. Each domain represents real-world mechanical concepts you'll encounter in technical roles. The test evaluates core mechanical skills systematically. These include spatial reasoning and three-dimensional visualization, understanding of physical laws and mechanical principles, problem-solving under time constraints, attention to detail in complex diagrams, and the ability to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. Now let's examine a sample test question. Think carefully before proceeding. Here's the scenario. If gear A rotates in a clockwise direction, which direction will gear C rotate? Take a moment to visualize how these interconnected gears would behave. The correct answer is B, counterclockwise. Here's why this matters. When gears connect in a series, each gear rotates opposite to its adjacent gear. BMT certification opens doors across multiple industries. Common application fields include manufacturing and industrial engineering, automotive repair and maintenance, aerospace and aviation, construction and facilities management, electrical systems and maintenance, and mechanical design roles. Understanding standards and safety protocols is non-negotiable. The test emphasizes safety principles, compliance with industry standards, proper equipment handling procedures, and risk assessment capabilities. These competencies ensure you can work safely and effectively in technical environments. Achieving test-taking excellence requires strategic preparation. First, familiarize yourself thoroughly with the test format by reviewing sample questions and understanding the structure. Second, practice time management through timed practice tests to build both speed and confidence. Third, study fundamental physics and mechanical principles that form the test foundation. Fourth, develop visualization skills through mental imagery exercises for spatial problems. Finally, master relaxation techniques to maintain focus and stay calm under pressure during the actual test. Maintaining test ethics and integrity is paramount. This means no unauthorized assistance, no sharing of test content, honest representation of your abilities, and compliance with all testing protocols. Your certification value depends on the integrity of your performance. Effective preparation combines multiple approaches. Use official study guides and practice materials. Join study groups for collaborative learning. Take advantage of online resources and tutorials. Work through mechanical reasoning exercises regularly. And consider professional training courses for comprehensive preparation. Your BMT certification has specific renewal requirements. Typically, certifications remain valid for a designated period, after which you'll need to demonstrate continued competency. Stay informed about renewal deadlines, continuing education requirements, and any updated testing standards to maintain your certified status. Remember these key success factors. Study systematically and comprehensively. Practice consistently with timed exercises. Focus intensely during preparation and testing. Build confidence through preparation and positive mindset. These elements combined lead to success on the BMT. You now have the knowledge and strategies needed to excel on the Bennett mechanical test. Practicing? Prepare for success with our comprehensive free practice materials. Simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to access full-length practice tests and additional study resources. Good luck with your certification journey.